Hey guys, it's Mark from Tutors, and I'm going to quickly explain how to interpret confidence intervals and why it's often so confusing. So for example, let's say you want to estimate the average amount of sleep everyone at your school gets per night. To do this, you took a sample of students and found that a 95% confidence interval for the true mean amount of sleep is 7.5 to 8.5 hours. How would you interpret this? What a lot of students say, and understandably so, is that there's a 95% chance that the true mean falls between 7.5 and 8.5 hours. This seems like it makes sense, but it's actually wrong, and here's why. The true mean is some specific constant value. We don't know what it is, but we know it's a specific number. When we create our confidence interval, there's no certain chance or probability that is inside or outside of that interval. It's either one or the other, inside or outside, with 100% certainty. We don't know which one it is, but we do know that it's either one or the other. Instead, what a 95% confidence interval represents is that if we repeatedly found confidence intervals from samples of this population, like we did in this example, 95% of those intervals would contain the true mean value. Every time you collect a sample, it will have a different mean, standard deviation, and sample size, so we'll end up with a different interval each time. However, as you calculate intervals again and again, 95% of them will include the population parameter, in our case mean, but it could also be proportions. This is the most correct definition, and if you see this as an option for a problem on a test or your homework, it's usually the right one. However, you may also see and use a kind of shorthand version of this statement, saying that we are 95% confident that the true mean is within 7.5 and 8.5 hours. Now I know this looks very similar to the first statement, but math and stat people are very picky with their language. If you only take one thing from this video, please remember whenever you interpret your confidence interval, use the word confident instead of chance or probability. If you found this video helpful, please consider hitting those like and subscribe buttons to support us making these videos. And if not, please let us know down in the comments how we can do better. Thanks again for watching, and remember, you have big dreams. Don't let a class get in the way.